Hi everybody, it's John Thompson from Wi-Fi Hi-Fi. So it's not every day that I get sent a pair of $1,200 active noise cancellation headphones, especially from a brand such as Mark Levinson, but that's what arrived today. I've just taken them out of the box. I haven't plugged them in, I haven't tried them, but I certainly think it's worthy of a share. So here are the, it's called the 5909. And it is the first ever headphone by the American high-end audio brand Mark Levinson, which I'm sure you're aware is part of the Harman Group. So these are 40 millimeter beryllium drivers. They are high-grade leather. It's all aluminum. And they are using an automotive grade paint. And the ones that have arrived with me are a beautiful speckled metallic gray. In the box, we have the classic carrying case, which quite frankly, I don't think many people actually use these things. And then we have a series of cables. This one looks like it's a 4-meter cable. So we've got USB-C to 3.5 mil. And then we've got a smaller one. So that looks like it's half the size, probably 2 meter. And then we've got USB-C to USB-C. And of course that is for charging. These are Bluetooth 5.1 and they're truly gorgeous. So we're going to be writing up a review. You'll be able to read all about that at wifihifi.com coming up shortly, and quite exciting. Nice rainy day. What better way to spend it than with a pair of $1,200 headphones? Here you go.